Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to DevCode Academy. In today's episode of Flutter Widget of the Day, we are going to explore one of the most important scrolling widget in Flutter, the list view. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DevCode Academy. So let's get started. In Flutter, list view is a scrollable list of widgets. It's perfect for displaying list of items, especially when you want vertical scrolling. Let me show you how you can use ListView widget in your Flutter app. Here I am using ListView simple constructor and the children property takes list of widgets and you can use any widgets. I am using container with different colors and you can see the output. The scrolling is vertically. The physics property controls the scrolling behavior and you can see the effect. The list is bounced back to the top. You can also reverse the scroll direction by using reverse property. You can see the output. The first item is yellow, but here the first item container color is green. This property shrink wrap. If true, list view takes only the space it's need. Useful when nesting inside another scrollable widgets. You can also change the scroll direction by using scroll direction property and you can see the output. The direction is horizontal now. You can also use ListView.builder constructor to build items on demand. Super memory efficient for large lists. Here's item count. Defines the number of items to build and the item builder build the widgets you want. Here I am using list style and you can use any widget you want. And you can see the output. You can also use ListView.separated constructor. Here's additional property separator builder which allows you to add separator between items like divider or spacing. Here I am using divider and you can see the output. Use list view when you need to show dynamic lists like chats, contact lists, news feeds or product catalogs. So that's it for today. List view is most important and powerful widget for scrolling. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DevCode Academy. I have a Telegram channel link in the description. So I'll see you in the next one. Khuda Hafiz.